Currently, this AI video generator is free to use. I don't know how long this AI tool will remain free. This AI tutorial video will be divided into 4 parts, including how to use free text-to-speech AI, generate an AI video from the original website, create an AI avatar inside Canva, and how to edit the video background. So, let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. I spent hours creating this video just for you. Would you please give me 3 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my friend. Part 1. Free text-to-speech AI. Go to the Neiro AI website. You can find the link in this video's description. Click the Create Free AI Videos button to open Neiro AI Studio. Navigate to the Text-to-Speech menu. Type or paste your script and select your language. Choose your preferred voice actor.
This audio is generated with Neiro AI technology.
This audio is generated with Neiro AI technology.
And click the Save Changes button to save the settings. Once everything is set, click the Generate Speech button to generate your free AI-generated voice. Click the Play button to listen to your AI-generated voice.
Artificial intelligence is the replication of human-like intelligence in computers. It involves creating algorithms that allow machines to learn from data.
If you are satisfied with the result, click the Copy Link button to copy the voice file URL and paste it into your browser's address bar. Click the Option button and select Download to download your AI voice. Part 2. Free AI Video Generator. In Neiro AI Studio, select the Generate Video menu. Choose your AI avatar and either type or paste your video script. Alternatively, use their AI script generator by clicking the Generate Script button. Enter your topic and your target audience. Click Generate to start generating your AI video script. This AI tool will give you 2 options. Select the best one and click Use this script to continue. Now change your video background by clicking the Change Background button. You can upload your own image or use default pre-made images from the list. Click Save Changes to apply the changes. Now select your AI video language and AI voice style.
This audio is generated with Neiro AI technology.
Click Save Changes to apply the changes. They will ask for your email address in this step. After that, click the Submit button to start rendering your AI video. Here is the AI-generated video result from this part.
ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives.
Part 3. Free AI Avatar in Canva. In Neiro AI Studio, there aren't many options for video editing. So let's use Neiro AI inside Canva to make our editing process easier. Log in to your Canva dashboard or use the link in this video's description. Click the Create Design button, then select the video option. Go to the Apps menu, type Neiro AI in the search bar, and click on the Neiro AI app button. Click Open to continue. Now select your desired AI avatar. Type or paste your video script in the script section. Select your language and AI voice actor. Click Preview Speech to listen to your AI-generated voice.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence.
After everything is set, click the Create Your Video button to start generating your AI avatar video. After your AI avatar video is ready, click and resize it to match your video size. Part 4. Change video background. Now let's change your AI avatar video with video stock from Canva. Before changing the background, remove the current video background by clicking the Edit Video button. Click the Background Remover option and wait for the process to complete. Now, go to the Elements menu, select the Video section, and search for your desired video. In this example, I will use an AI video animation. Choose your desired video Then right-click on the video and select the Set Video as background option. Preview your video by clicking the play button. After everything is set, click the download button. Select the video format and resolution, and click the download button to start rendering and download your AI-generated video. Here's the AI-generated video from this part.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time.
Thank you for watching this free AI video generator tutorial. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye-bye!